How you doing, YouTubers? I want to take a minute today and talk about this healthcare plan and how it got all messed up in the process somewhere. Basically, this whole mess saying that this healthcare plan is not good, is not what Americans want. Before we take an opinion on this, I want to educate you a little bit. When this plan first was proposed by the president, and then it went to Congress and it began to get written and different variations was proposed, the main thing here was that there had to be some control over the private sector, over these healthcare industries getting rich off of sick people. There had to be some restrictions on that. They couldn't be denying everybody coverage for pre-existing conditions as they see fit, which is, by the way, a term that was invented by the healthcare industry. And another thing was that there had to be a public option. Now, this is what this public option is about, because it seems like a lot of people got it all twisted of what the public option was supposed to be about. Now, the public option no longer exists, to my interpretation. This is not the part, if this healthcare bill finally makes it through, this is not the part that is going to be in there. This public option will not be in there anymore. But basically, what the public option was saying is that, yes, you got all these private places you can go to and get your health care, but there's also going to be another place that you can go to, a private sector, a government sector. It's just like saying that, yes, you got all of these private schools that you can go to, but you still got your public sector. For those who can't afford to do the private school, you can go to public school. Well, those that can't afford to do the private health care, which is a lot of Americans, that's why we're in this crap now. That's why things are so expensive in the healthcare industry now, because people wait until they get so sick before they go to the emergency room, and by that point they need a lot of medical attention. But that was the whole point. If you can't afford something from the private industry, then you got the public option, where you will have a public healthcare type insurance plan that you can use. Well, all of a sudden now they start coming up with these bullshits about, well, I don't want to have to pay for somebody else's health care. First off, you already paying for that, buddy. Because when people go to the emergency room, and the emergency rooms are overpacked with people who doesn't have insurance and who have waited for so long because they don't have insurance, and now need massive medical attention, medical treatment. You paying for this, buddy. Trust me. Don't get it twisted. You're paying for this. You're paying for this through your insurance increases, through medical treatment increases, through taxes. You're already paying for this. So the whole point was, let's not let it get this way. Let's come up with a realistic healthcare plan like most other nations got. Let's come up with a realistic plan and say, hey, we need to have prevention. We need to have a healthcare plan, because what we have now, we don't have a healthcare system. We have a reaction system, pretty much. And we have a healthcare business where people make money off the sick people. And this is just crazy. But now all of a sudden I hear that the public option is no longer an option. It's no longer going to be in the bill that's most likely to be passed. Why even pass the bill? Plus, this thing won't even take effect until like 2013 or some crazy number like that, which really doesn't matter, because if they don't really do nothing. I mean, what the hell? They basically kisses the healthcare industry's ass. They kisses these insurance companies' ass. What the hell? Whatever happened to the public option? But see, this is the problem. I blame the American people. Because when you had those idiots getting on there saying stupid stuff like, get your hands off off our Medicare, not even realizing that the government gives your ass Medicare. No insurance company gives you Medicare. The government gives your ass Medicare. And you got people saying crazy stuff like, I don't want to have to pay for nobody else getting sick, which is just dumb, because that's not how this bill works. And saying things like, I don't want to have to pay for illegal immigrants. This bill would not be paying for illegal immigrants to get treatment. But it's just freaking crazy. This is how people think, and this is how the media has twisted things, because they have basically given all these idiots this publicity, and then nobody comes out and say, well, I want the private option. Well, I need this because I don't have health care for this such and such long. Nobody, no opposition to the opposition came out. Nobody came out to fight this damn thing. So basically, it looked like to the congressmen and whatnot that American people did not want this health care thing. So guess what got chopped out? The thing that was needed the most. The whole purpose of proposing this health care thing in the first place. The public option. It's gone. What the hell?